Hey everyone, today I will show you how to get someone off your best friend list on Snapchat. And here's how it is done. Open Snapchat. Launch the Snapchat app and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Check Best Friends. Go to chat to see your best friends, which are indicated by emojis. Option 1. Change emoji. Go to Settings. Tap the gear icon in the profile screen. Scroll to Customize emojis under the Privacy Control section. Friend emojis and select BFF or Besties. Change the emoji associated with this level so it is less noticeable, such as cross fingers, etc. This doesn't remove them, but it hides the emoji. Option 2. Stop messaging. To naturally remove someone, just stop sending snaps for a few days, and they will fall off the best friends list. Option 3. Block and unblock. Go to their profile. Tap on the three dots at the top right. Select Manage Friendship and choose Block. Unblock them after a moment. They will be removed as your best friend. And that is everything you need to know about how to get someone off your best friends list on Snapchat. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.